Tooth decay is a prevalent issue that affects people of all ages. It occurs when bacteria in the mouth produce acids that erode the enamel, leading to cavities and other dental problems. While many believe that once tooth decay sets in, it cannot be reversed, recent research suggests otherwise. We'll go through how to reverse tooth decay, the underlying causes, preventive measures, and effective treatments. Understanding tooth decay. Tooth decay begins with the formation of plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that coats the teeth. When you consume sugars and carbohydrates, the bacteria in plaque produce acids that attack the enamel. Over time, these acid attacks can lead to the demineralization of the enamel, ultimately resulting in cavities. The stages of tooth decay. To better understand how to reverse tooth decay, it's essential to recognize the stages of decay. Demineralization, the initial stage where acids begin to erode the enamel. Enamel decay. Continued acid exposure leads to the breakdown of enamel, forming cavities. Dentin decay. Once the enamel is compromised, decay progresses to the softer dentin layer beneath. Pulp damage. If left untreated, decay can reach the pulp, leading to severe pain and possible tooth loss. Signs and symptoms of tooth decay. Recognizing the signs of tooth decay early can help in reversing the process. Common symptoms include tooth sensitivity to hot or cold, pain when biting down, visible holes or pits in teeth, staining on the surface of the teeth, persistent bad breath. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to seek dental advice promptly. Get help reversing tooth decay at Fillmore Dental Group. Understanding how to reverse tooth decay is crucial for maintaining optimal oral health. By adopting good oral hygiene practices, making dietary adjustments, and seeking regular dental care, you can effectively combat tooth decay and even reverse early signs of damage. Remember that early intervention is key, so don't ignore the symptoms. If you are concerned about tooth decay or need personalized advice on maintaining your dental health, reach out to Fillmore Dental Group. Our experienced team is here to help you achieve a healthy, beautiful smile. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.